Let's go inside and see this beautiful luxury new construction home in Bowie, Maryland, and a great place to relocate to, not too far from DC and Maryland, Virginia. Love the staircase. And let's go down here, walk around a little bit, see. It's nice, spacious room on the first level. It's a beautiful in-law suite, office. Again, this luxury new home is in Bowie, Maryland. See, lovely full bathroom. Okay, just open space here, as you see. Look at the ceiling. Look how beautiful the ceiling is. Luxury new construction home. Living the luxury lifestyle experience. Great location, quiet, suburbs, country setting. Nice, spacious, open kitchen area. Great for a growing family. Bowie, Maryland. Luxury home, new construction. Isn't this gorgeous? I'm just loving it. Love the pantry. The open area. It has a 2-car garage. We can go upstairs real quick. Let's check it out. It's dining area. Alrighty. Here's one of the rooms. Okay. Lovely closet space. This is beautiful. This is a spacious luxury new construction home. Has a buddy bathroom to it. That we can walk through one bedroom, through the next to the next. Great for kids to have their own shared space. Love this walkover here. Take you over to the master. Another bedroom. And here we are, the master. Look how lovely and spacious this room is. Ooh, it's to die for. Lots and lots of space, lots of closet space. Just gorgeous. And all of this is located in Bowie, Maryland, minutes away from DC and Virginia. Great space for relocation, growing family. Ooh, let's look at this bathroom, to die for. Gorgeous bathroom. For more information about new construction homes in the DMV area, please contact me, Joya Johnson, JLJ, GRI Group of Fairfax Realty Premier. I am the extraordinary realtor who's experienced with new construction, land development. Again, there's 3 new communities of new construction that you can I should take a peek at and look. Isn't that awesome? Isn't that nice? The overlook. Dining area. Let's go to the basement and check it out. See how it looks. It's a gorgeous house. This is spacious, beautiful house. Over 4,000 square feet. This is so lovely. Look at all this space. Huge basement with a walkout. Another bedroom, or could be your workout room, or it could be your own personal man cave, lady cave. You have another bedroom here. This room is unfinished, but you can finish it off as another bedroom area. Full bathroom area. This is such a beautiful location. It's another space for another bedroom over here. Unfinished, so you can build out whatever you like.